If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly upload a Word document into a WordPress post, or you need to share PDFs with your readers, you're in the right place. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your documents easily accessible on your WordPress site, whether you want people to download them or view them right inside your post. Let's jump right in. First, we'll focus on adding documents as downloadable links. When you're creating or editing a post or page in WordPress, look for the Add Media button, usually sitting just above your editing toolbar. If you're using the block editor, which most people are these days, you might see a little plus sign for adding a new block. Click that button. This is your gateway for bringing files from your computer into your WordPress site. And it's a step you'll do for just about any kind of media, images, audio, and, in this case, documents. Don't rush this part. Making sure you're in the right spot sets everything up smoothly. Next is the upload. When the Add Media window opens up, you'll see a couple of tabs at the top. Click on Upload Files. From here you have a couple of options. You can simply drag your docx or PDF file from your computer right into the window, like moving a file into a folder. Super easy, or click Select Files and browse your folders until you find your document. Give it a second to upload, especially if your PDF is hefty or if your internet's a little slow. Don't worry if you see the spinning wheel for a moment. That's just WordPress getting everything ready. Once your file is uploaded, you'll see it listed. Now here's where you get to decide how your viewers interact with your file. If you want them to be able to download your Word document or PDF, make sure your file is selected and then click Insert into Post. What this does is create a neat little link right in your content. Anyone reading your post can click that link and boom, they'll download the file to their own device. It's a straightforward way for sharing resources like meeting notes, ebooks, printable checklists, or whatever else you need your readers to access. But let's say you want something a little more interactive. Maybe you want people to actually view the document within your post without needing to download it. That's where the next method comes in, and it's especially handy for PDFs. You'll use what's called the document block, available in the Gutenberg editor. To add it, hit the plus icon to add a new block. Then start typing document in the search, and select the document block that appears. This block is designed specifically for embedding documents, so your readers don't have to leave your post to take a look. With the document block in place, upload your docx or PDF file just like before. As soon as it finishes uploading, the block might display an embedded viewer, especially for PDF files. This viewer lets your audience scroll through pages right there on your site, which is great for things like forms, class syllabi, or project specs. For Word documents, it usually shows a download link, since WordPress can't display those interactively just yet. Keep in mind, while this is super convenient for sharing information as is, you can't edit the document right inside WordPress. If you need to fix a typo or update your file, make the changes in your original document, then upload the new version. And that wraps up our walkthrough for uploading and sharing Word documents and PDFs on WordPress. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. Got questions about these steps, or want to know what else you can do with documents in WordPress? Drop your questions in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. And if you want more easy-to-follow WordPress tips, go ahead and subscribe for the latest tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.